Hey there, it's Michael Hensen, and I am going to show you how to install a shadow pickup in a ukulele. You're going to need a few things. One of the things I like to use um, is basically a quarter-inch adapter that goes on top of an eighth-inch cord, and this is just a piece of eighth-inch cord. You can use a variety of different things, like string will work, or even like a guitar string will work. Anyway, if you have something like this with a quarter-inch, you can actually place this into the jack. So I'm going to show you what you should have here. So that's the actual pickup itself. And, well, I say this is the actual jack for the pickup. The actual pickup is located in here. And inside the guitar body, there is a cord that's attached to the pickup. And it's like an eighth-inch cord, and that plugs right into here. Okay, so to install this into the guitar, you have to place the pickup on the inside and then have to pull it outward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this quarter-inch cable into the base of the ukulele. And I'm going to reach in here and pull it out. What you didn't see is me actually holding it upside down and bringing it up to the sound hole. And then also you want to have the other cable too, the quarter-inch cable. And if you can't reach it, a good thing to do is have some needle nose pliers just to reach down in there and grab the cable and pull it through. Okay, so that right there is the actual eighth-inch jack. It actually might even be smaller than an eighth-inch jack, but that plugs into the base of the pickup right here. Okay, so you want to plug that in. Then right here is your nut that you want to screw in, and it's screwed down right now to about the right spot. So what I'm going to do is place a washer on top of it. So this is going to go inside the body, and what that washer will do is hold the jack kind of from going forward outside. Okay, so then you want to take the quarter-inch jack and plug it into the pickup, and now you're going to take the cord and you're going to slowly pull it through the sound hole until you get it to the hole in the base of the ukulele. Now once the pickup comes to the very end, or the actual jack for the pickup, there's a little hole. It's hard to see, but if I bring it up here, you might be able to see it. There's a hole inside the actual pickup. So what I'm going to do is use a pair of pliers to kind of hold it, and then we're going to place the we're going to hold it kind of on the outside of the jack, actually. And we're going to pull off the cord and the quarter-inch. And now we just got the jack itself sticking out. And then we're going to take another washer, and place it on the end. And then I have a rubber washer. This is a cheat way, but this is actually going to help me to secure it down a little bit tighter. So I'm going to place this rubber washer on the outside. If I don't lose it. There. So now the rubber washer is on the outside too. And so now we've got it pulled out as pretty much as far as possible. So what we're going to do is go ahead and place the outer nut on the jack and screw it down. It's taking me a while to get this on. Once you get it started, though, then you're good to go. And if I plug in the jack itself, which we can do again once the nut's on there, and make it a little easier. So that's probably what I should have done first. So now the jack is in there. The nut doesn't have anywhere to go. And now you can kind of easily get it started. Easily. And now it's kind of started, and you just wrench it down, of course, until you get it tight. And then you're going to come and you're going to hold the jack and just kind of give it some turns. Try and get it centered up in the hole if you can as best possible. I've got a pretty big hole, so that's why I'm kind of using this. You can hold the rim and spin the nut. So now it's on pretty tight. What I can do is try and crank it down one more time or two more times if I can actually hold the jack with these and then turn the nut. Anyway, that's pretty tight. So then you would come in, take your end cap or eyelet and screw it down on. There you go. The jack is installed. Looks like this. And with the rubber actually in there, it kind of makes it a little tighter. If you screw it in without a rubber gasket, it's fine too, of course. You just got to make sure that the inner washer and nut are tightened on the inside to the right, so you have enough stub of the actual jack sticking out. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much for checking this video out. And this is Uke Electric out.